So we are super excited. That is the Old Dominion semi-truck. He is delivering our Grower Solution greenhouse. It is a 20 by 20 greenhouse. Only thing I'm not real sure about is we have to unload it. It's just me and Scott, so see how this goes. So Grower Solutions color codes their packaging. When our package got ready to ship, they told us to make sure everything was shrink wrapped in yellow, otherwise we would know we didn't have our greenhouse. So as you can see, all the piping is color coded with the yellow shrink wrap. We had 9 of the bundles, that's the actual framing, and then we have a pallet. The pallet is going to have all the hardware and then the plastic.
Man, look at that. That's so perfect. Okay, so the greenhouse is going to go right here where I'm pointing the camera at. And you can see the front of the property. I still got the pallet way up there. There's Margaret. And we're gonna go ahead. We got a little bit of shade back here, like early afternoon shade. So we're gonna put all the pieces over here in the shade. That way we can inventory it, and that's where we're gonna store it until we prep this area. I've got to till this up. We got to go into town. Our order of weed block came in, and we got to put weed block down before we even start assembling the greenhouse. The other thing we got to do is we got to get the wood that's required, the 2x4s that do not come with the package.